In this video, we're going to cover how to create a report for this patient. And the question came as to a summary of notes for a patient. So the summary of notes, you would go to reports from the patient dashboard. And here you would, most time you can uncheck billing, that's there by default. You do want the demographics, okay, and yes, you can click any one of these buttons that say generate report. It just keeps you from having to scroll too far to get to it. So if I say I want this visit here and this visit here, I can also attach any procedures, and then if there's any documents in the patient's chart, such as PDFs and Word documents, you can attach those as well. Now, you have a choice between the two. One is an HTML document and one is a PDF. So you can choose either one. In this example, I'm going to choose Generate Report just to show you the HTML version of this report. So when I click here, it generates the report for me, and it puts all the patient's information at the top. And then the SOAP note that was filled out during this patient visit on what day and who was the provider for that visit. And also remember the GAD-7 form that they filled out. And then this is the lab order that was for that same day. And the other one have no documentation attached to them, so that's why they're empty. And again, if there was anything else, it would show up on this form. And from here, I could simply click printable version and it would give me this. And then I can print this out by right mouse clicking on the screen and going to, let's see, I think it's Control P. Yep, so Control P will get you to print the HTML version of this form, which will look pretty much like the PDF version of the form. Right now I have mine set to PDF, but also I can set it to any printer that I have in the office. And the last thing, of course, is to uncheck headers and footers, and that will clean up your page so that you don't print any of the web stuff of URLs. Thanks for watching.